So this is the dispersion of white light. So what exactly happen in dispersion of white light? That is a separation. Yeah, so most that we will say that the separation of white light into its colors. Yeah, so this is what we will say that. So the separation of white light into its constitute colors. So that we are going to call it as a dispersion of light. When the white light incident on this prism and when it came out, it will get dispersed into its colors. Yeah, so fine. So this is how you can say. So obviously the pattern for that, you can say that it is a Vibgyor pattern. So you will find that the red is at the top. Yeah, again the violet is at the bottom and that yellow is at the center. Okay, so this is how the light will get dispersed. So you can say that the deviation for red is minimum, the deviation for your violet color is maximum. So that is dispersion means simply the same thing, that is a separation of your white light into its constitute color. Then what might be the cause of dispersion? The cause I just told you that. So each color is having the different wavelength. So definitely if its wavelength is different, so the prism will offer the different refractive index for each of them. Yeah, so definitely the refractive index is different for each color, and because of that you can say, so that is the reason for your case of your dispersion. Yeah, so mainly the speed of light, the speed of each color through that prism will be different. Why? Because it is having the different velocity. So mu is equals to c upon v, v is equals to f into lambda. The wavelength is different. Yeah, so definitely for red it is different, again for violet it is different. So since its speed is different, the refractive index is different for each color, and then that is the reason why we can say that the dispersion occur. Each of them will move with the different velocity, and because of that the mu is different, and if mu is different then we can say that, so definitely that is sin I upon sin r. So the value of your angle of incidence or that refraction will get changed. So that's why the light gets separated. Yeah, so the dispersion, the cause of dispersion is mainly that because of the different wavelength associated with each that color. So that is what we can say that which is the cause of your dispersion.